In today's video, I will walk you through how to find a broker on Metatrader 5. The first thing you need to do is open the Metatrader 5 app. If you don't already have it installed, download it from the App Store or the Play Store. Then open the app once the installation is complete. After the app opens, look for Navigator in the left corner of the screen. This will take you to the page where you can see different trading assets. From there, tap Accounts. If you're using a fresh installation of Metatrader 5 and haven't added any accounts yet, the layout may look slightly different, but you'll still need to access the Account Management section. Once you're on the Manage Accounts page, this will open the page where you can search for and add a broker. Now tap the broker you choose. For example, if your broker is Vantage, first, take a close look at the available servers. Many brokers have multiple servers, and you need to choose the exact one assigned to your trading account. For example, if you're using Deriv, you may see several different server options listed. Check your broker account details to find the correct server name before making your selection. Once you've confirmed the server, tap the matching option from the list. After selecting the correct server, you'll be taken to the login page. Here you'll see fields for your account login number and your trading password. Enter your login number in the login field and type your trading password into the password field. Next, verify that the correct server is selected. If needed, tap the server field and choose the server that matches your broker account details. Once everything has been entered correctly, tap Login to connect your account. The process is the same regardless of which broker you use. Simply search for your broker, choose the correct server, enter your account login number and trading password, confirm the selected server, and tap Login. As long as you've selected the correct broker server, you'll be able to connect your trading account through the Metatrader 5 mobile app. Thank you for watching.